Innova, demo namin sa inyo, JCL projector. Yan yung pinakamalakas natin. May wiring na tayo for the Innova XE. Then nilagyan namin siya ng Vision, Vision low beam, Vision high beam, park light. Yung mga gustong lumakas ang ilaw, ito yon. Kita nyo, napakalakas ang ilaw. Papakita ko sa inyo one by one. So patayin ko yung headlight. Fog light. Yan, walang ilaw. Projector JCL, nakita nyo, napakalakas. Walang projector. Projector JCL projector. Low beam, yan, lakas oh. Ito yung high beam. Boom, lakas oh. Yan oh, sobrang lakas yan. Yan yung ginagamit namin, plug and play. So LED Vision, yan yung ginagamit natin. Ito yung JCL projector, may white and yellow kami nito. So yan yung normal oh. Kita nyo, yan ang demo. Fog light alone. Low beam, lakas oh, pati gilid, kitang kita, nakakalibrate yan. Meron kaming digital alignment. Yan yung high beam, kita nyo. Sobrang liwanag. So yan yung best sa ilaw namin. Yan, ganda, 'di ba? So yan yung projector. Nakita niyo yung cut-off line, diretso, napaka-solid. So this is available for Toyota models. Tapos yung mga LED namin, lahat ng models meron yan. So send us a message, we'll book your schedule here sa shop. Thank you.